Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I curl my hair. As you can tell, I've got a lot of hair. So this is the things you're going to need. You're going to need a brush, a hair clip, a thermal protectant, and a hairspray. Curling iron, I'm just using a 1-inch curling iron. Doesn't have to be anything expensive or fancy, just has to make sure that you've got a clamp. So I already brushed my hair. It's already been washed and dried. You want to make sure that your hair is nice and dry before you curl your hair, that way you don't damage it. And I'm just going to add some thermal protectant to my hair first before I get started. I'm going to section my hair off, that way it's easier to work with. I usually just take about all of my hair except for a small little section in the back and clip it up. Then I'm going to take about a 1-inch section, and every time before I curl, I'm just going to give it a quick brush. And so this is on the left side of my face. I'm gonna take my curling iron and I open the clamp and I start towards the top middle, clamp, roll it in, open the clamp and roll it in, and I keep doing this until I get to the bottom. And this method is gonna actually help save the heat from the ends of your hair. So I just hold it there, and I like to touch with my other hand to make sure all the strands are hot. Once my hair is hot, I let go. I don't want to hold onto the heat too long because then it is going to burn my hair. So I'm just gonna repeat this. And this way, I'm gonna actually curl the opposite way. So I'm gonna hold the clamp with it facing away from me, and I'm going to clamp it, twirl, hold the hair out, slide it down. Every time you slide, you wanna open the clamp and then slide. And roll. It gets hot, and then let go. So now that I've done the bottom section, I'm just gonna release my clamp, or my clip, sorry. And I'm gonna take the next section. So I'm just sliding down a section at a time. I work from the bottom up and repeat the process. Guys, so as you can see, I am finished curling my hair. All right, and then all I have to do now is just give it a little bit of hairspray, and then we're all set. All right, after the hairspray, I just like to give my hair a little bit of like a push. And this is gonna help create a little bit of volume, and then I just kind of smooth out the tops of my hair, the little flyaways, and then I give it a quick little spray down, just to hold all the hairs in place. And va-va-voom! That is how I curl my hair. I hope this tutorial was super helpful, and I will see you on the next one.